Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know it won't be long here in heaven. Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I can't stay here in heaven. The what?
No, down. Ow! Where? That's the last of it.
I must be strong to carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Beyond the door, there's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven.
You're gay, Timmy Jr. He's in his shorts.
Okay, that's all.
Close it.
Close it. I love you girls. Call me.
This is CALViN EVAiMALO. His number is.
Alright, just.